Hello YouTube, welcome to the full step solution. After introducing virtual machines to you, now it's time to make some change happens. And the first thing we are going to do is to enable virtualization on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, stay tuned and get ready to go. There are two ways to check or know whether your PC or laptop supports virtualization or not. We will show you how to do it step by step. We can check whether your PC supports virtualization by using Task Manager. Right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager from the menu, or simply search for it from here. Now click on Performance tab in the Task Manager. Here tap on CPU and look for virtualization. If virtualization is available on your PC, then you will see that option available here. In my situation, I already enabled virtualization. You can also check whether your PC supports virtualization using CMD. Search for CMD in the Start menu and open it by clicking on Run as Administrator. Now a pop-up will open and ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just click Yes. Now type this command, system info, and press the Enter key to execute the command. If virtualization is enabled on your PC, then you will see the Hyper-V requirements section, and you will also see the virtualization enabled in firmware option here. If you find out that your PC or laptop virtualization is enabled, you can go directly to the next chapter. If not, then stick with us to show you how to enable virtualization. Once more, there are two ways that can allow us to enable virtualization. We can do it by using CMD or by Windows features. To get started, open CMD by searching for it in the Start menu. Now type in this command. I will put it down into the description box and press Enter to execute it. Once executed, the command will download and install all Hyper-V features on your PC. Now use this command to install another virtualization related feature on your PC. After completion, you will be prompted to restart your computer. To restart your system, type Y and hit Enter on your keyboard. After restarting your system, virtualization should be enabled and ready to use. Here, we already have virtualization enabled on this PC, so we don't need to restart it. To get started, open the Setting app by searching for it in the Start menu. Next, select Apps from the left pane and click on Optional Feature on the right. Then click on More Windows Features. You will now see a list of features that can and have already been installed on your system. Check these boxes, Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform, to download and install them, then click OK. Now Windows asks you to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. Click on Restart Now and you are all set. That's it. Virtualization should now be enabled on your system once it has restarted. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and see you next time. Bye.